This is a love reading for you, Pisces, for January to February. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you and your love interest and then see how's the guidance looking. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Pisces, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. In this video, if you check the description box, I have also given is the link to my January newsletter. You want to read it and circulate it and share it with as many people. There are also links to the other readings that I do. You want to check the details and book a reading with me. So let us see. Pisces, how's the guidance looking? So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring? What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how is overall the guidance for the love reading? So, Pisces, some of you are coming out as little bit too critical about your partner, or maybe your partner feels you're too micromanaging, or you're just asking always the smallest of detail about everything, almost like absolute smallest of detail. And the thing is, while you have this habit of doing things, or going into the nittiest of details, your partner doesn't seem to mind. I'm just seeing here is a partner who's very composed, very calm, and doesn't get shaken up by by maybe sometimes how you are, or the way number of questions you may be asking, or how strict or difficult or tough you may come across. So I'm seeing here is a very calm and composed partner who's working with you with their own pace and ease. So when I look at the guidance, it's just telling me here are two people who are very different or are poles apart, but are together, and things are looking like they're working right now between the two of you. Also, if you see, you have a crown here, and your partner also wears a certain hat. So you both are accomplished in certain way in your fields, or you both come with the great education where it already sets you up for a great career or a certain business or line of work. Now, also some of you, your partner is very god fearing, so even though you may come across little bit controlling sometimes, your partner sees it as a part of being together, part of being with this person you love. So he or she hardly sees any fault in you. So very beautiful guidance here coming from your partner, Pisces. So what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So about there are certain challenges, and one of the challenges that Pisces, you're not happy with the kind of money you're making. You feel that you're working day in day out and you're working very hard, but there's hardly any money showing up. So you feel very disappointed about it, and you seem to nurse this hurt by yourself. Your partner brings the strength of great communication, warm energy of just being a conversationalist or just bonding along. So your partner has this very warm, nice vibe about them where they tend to get along with everybody very well. He or she may be very popular with people or has a lot of friends who take your partner as their confidant or someone they can totally rely on. So your partner has this very beautiful warm vibe, and it looks like it is the glue to this relationship. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? So, you do have a very beautiful impression about your partner. You see your partner as someone who will go great lengths emotionally to keep things together, to make things work between you. So, you see your partner as someone who is not just who's not taking this relationship for granted. And Pisces, that's what you love. You see your partner as someone who's very serious about love and is always working to make this relationship very beautiful. So some of you may have been pursued by the partner, Pisces. I'm seeing your partner may have pursued you and then you gave in. How does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as someone who likes to work alone. You're not necessarily a people's person, and you like to do things by yourself. So, your partner feels that you have this great energy about doing things by yourself, and you're not a people person really. So, you are not someone who will huddle a group together, have a discussion, and then go ahead. No, your partner sees you as someone who likes to work alone or by themselves in your own space. So, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? So, first of all, you both are very, very positive about the future, and if you see, you both seem to agree about how the future should be, because if you see, the two people are looking to the left. Also, you are very convinced, Pisces, that you want to take the second seat or take a step away from the limelight in this relationship. You are very secure, so you feel very secure being with this partner, and you totally see a great success coming along being with this partner and things working out beautifully. As for your partner, he or she feels that you are a blessing and also a good luck charm. So, your partner is very convinced being with you, their good luck will continue, or they will continue to be in this very beautiful, loving phase where also there is a lot of money. So, the two of you are very convinced about the future together. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Pisces, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You've had your share of struggle, challenges that you had to face, and you never really, sometimes there were days when you did not have enough in terms of clothes and food, but you have made it happen, you have come along. So, struggle is not completely over yet, but you are better off than how you were in the past or maybe in a year or two back. Your partner is someone who will invest a lot into people, but the minute your partner feels that the other person is not reciprocating, they will just cut them loose. I'm also seeing is sometimes your partner is a little bit too stern with emotions, so your partner keeps very, very high standards emotionally with people or even with you. I'm just saying is almost to the point of them being little bit unrealistic. So, what is the overall guidance for the love reading? This is a very beautiful union, and when this guidance shows up, it's saying the two of you are very happy in your space. It's not like the two of you need each other to feel good about being in this relationship. You both are very secure, and you both consider this relationship to be very, very precious. And this person is just smiling, so it's telling me the two of you are very happy, and you're just very happy together. So, this is a very beautiful guidance, really, that I'm getting here. So, Pisces, this is the reading for you and your partner for January to February.